Okay, now we come to our Medina Arabic course, book 1, lesson 3. Ad-Dars Thalithu. Ad-Dars, the lesson. As-Salis, it's an ordinal number. Number 3, third, the third lesson. In this lesson, Dr. Abdul Rahim is first trying to introduce to us the concept of indefinite and definite. We already did that a little bit in grammar, so hopefully inshallah it will not be difficult. So he is showing us two words, bait with a tanween dhamma, baitun, and bait with lam al-ta'arif al. And when it is al-bait, we see that the tanween is no more, there's only one dhamma. Baitun, a house, al-baitu, the house. Qalamun, a pen, al-qalamu, the pen. Kitabun, al-kitabu, kitabun, a book, al-kitabu, the book. Jamalun, a camel, al-jamalu, the camel. So these are indefinite and definite words, some examples of indefinite and definite words. After that, in this lesson, we are seeing simple nominal sentences. We will be tackling with nominal sentences in our grammar studies. So I don't want to go too much in detail, but I do want to, because of the way the book is structured, I do have to touch upon sentences here. But please remember, we will be studying sentences in detail in grammar. However, the way Dr. Abdul Rahim is trying to teach us, he's giving us simple nominal sentences. What he's trying to show us is that a simple nominal sentence, like in English also, has a subject and a predicate. Subject is the thing, the person or the thing about which the sentence is going to give us information. So subject is kind of the main role, the main star of the sentence, right? And then the predicate is the information about that star. So the subject, the word in Arabic for subject of a sentence is mubtada, and the word for predicate of the sentence is khabar. So in Arabic, the sentence will have mubtada and khabar. Mubtada is the star of the sentence, what we are talking about, and khabar is the information about that star. So as I said, Dr. Abdul Rahim is giving us simple nominal sentences. So in this sentence, there is a star, there is a subject called mubtada, and there is predicate, the khabar. How do I know which one is which? Again, please remember, this is the most simple, basic type of sentences. It will not always be like this, but of course there has to be a starting point. So for now, what we are seeing is the mubtada, the subject of the sentence, is the first word in the sentence. It is a definite word, meaning it will probably start with al. There are other ways a word can be definite. We're not talking about that right now. So for our purpose right now, it will be the first word that starts with al, and it will have dhamma ending. The predicate will be the second word in the sentence. It will be an indefinite word, meaning it will not have al. Rather, it will have tanween dhamma. So, al-qalamu maksurun. This is a sentence. Al-qalam is the subject of the sentence, the star. In Arabic grammar, we call it mubtada. It is the first word. It is a definite word. And it is ending in dhamma. Those are the three things we look for in simple sentences, in the mubtada of simple sentences. Maksurun is the khabar of this sentence. It's the second word. It is nakira. It is ending in tanween dhamma. Al-qalam, the pen. If you remember, we said that in a sentence, as soon as we find the subject of the sentence, we put the word is, because in Arabic there is no equivalent is. You have to bring it when you're translating it into English. So you said the qalam, the pen, is the subject. Right away bring the is. The qalam is, the pen is. What is the information? Maksurun, that is your information. English you call it predicate. In Arabic you call it khabar. What does it mean? Maksur is something that is broken. So this sentence is saying the pen is broken. A simple Arabic nominal sentence has a subject called mubtada, has khabar, which is the predicate in English. The mubtada is the first word. It is the ma'rifa word, starts with al. It has a dhamma ending. The khabar is the indefinite word. The second word ends in dhamma. So you will see lots of examples of simple sentences in this lesson, and I will try and go a little bit faster now. The second sentence, al-babu maftuhun. The door is open. Al-bab is the mubtada, maftuhun is the khabar. Ma'rifa, nakira, both ending in dhamma. Keep looking out for these signs. Third line, al-waladu jalisun. Al-waladu, the boy, is. I brought the is right after the mubtada. Jalisun is the khabar. Jalis means someone who is sitting. The boy is sitting. Wal mudarrisu waqifun. This letter waw is a conjunction word. Harf atf. It's okay, new term. Harf atf. Atf. This is a conjunction word. It means and. That is not the only use of this letter waw in Arabic. There are other uses. We are only learning the first use, that it is used as the word and. And al-mudarris, the teacher, waqifun. Waqif is the one who's standing. The teacher is standing. So there are two sentences and there's a waw in the middle. The boy is standing. The boy is sitting. Jalis is sitting. The boy is sitting and the teacher is standing. Al-kitabu jadidun wal-qalamu qadimun. Al-kitabu jadidun wal-qalamu qadimun. The book is new and the pen is old. So another thing, Dr. Abdul Rahim is very quickly introducing one after the other few things in this lesson. First, he told us about definite, indefinite. He showed us simple nominal sentences, so he showed us mubtada and khabar. Now he showed us the use of waw, and he is also introducing opposites in this sentence. So start picking the opposites, inshallah. You're seeing the word jadid and you're seeing the word qadim. They are opposites. Jadid, new. Qadim, old. Al-kitabu jadidun, the book is new. Wal-qalamu qadimun, and the pen is old. Al-kitabu jadidun, mubtada khabar. Mubtada has al, ends in dhamma. Right after mubtada I put is. Jadidun is khabar, it's nakira, ends in dhamma. Waw is and. Al-qalamu, again, it has the marifa, ends in dhamma. Put is right after it. The pen is qadim, old. Sentence number 2. Al-himaru saghirun wal-hisanu kabirun. Opposite, saghir, small. Kabir, big. The donkey is small and the horse is big. Al-kursiyu maksurun. The chair is broken. Al-mindilu wasikhun. Mindil we did in lesson 1 or 2. The handkerchief is wasikhun. Wasikhun means dirty. Al-ma'u baridun. The water is cold. Barid means cold. Al-qamaru jamilun. The moon is beautiful. Al-baytu qaribun wal-masjidu ba'idun. The house is near and the masjid is far. Two opposites, qarib, near, ba'id, far. Al-hajaru thaqilun wal-waraqu khafifun. Thaqil, heavy. Khafif, light. Hajar we did already, stone or like a boulder. Waraq, paper, page. The rock, the stone is heavy and the paper is light. Al-labanu harrun. Laban we did already. The milk, har, hot. The milk is hot. Al-qamisu nadhifun. Qamis we did, the shirt. Nadhif means clean. So you see lots of opposites in these sentences. Jadid, qadim. So it would be very nice if we make these the list of opposites. In our vocabulary bank, your notebook, please start writing all the vocabulary words, and you see opposites or plurals, start writing it next to those words. Jadid, qadim. Saghir, kabir, small, big. Wasikhun, nazifun. Wasikh, dirty. Nazif, clean. Barid, har. Barid, cold. Har, hot. Qarib, ba'id, near, far. Thaqil, khafif, light, heavy. Then there are some tamareen. Tamareen, plural of tamreen, exercises. First exercise, iqra, waktub, مع ضبط أواخر الكلمات. So read and write by putting the right endings on the words. So what is the purpose of this exercise? So you see the word masjid. They're asking you, what will you see on the dal? Alright, so if I tell you, you have to put dhammas on all of these words. The only question is being asked is, will you put one dhamma or two? Remember, by default, normally a word should have tanween. It will not have tanween if it has al at the beginning. There are some other cases, those exceptions, which we will do later. For now, for our purpose, either it should have al. If it doesn't have al, it should have tanween. So masjidun, you will see two dhammas. Al masjidu, one dhamma. Al ma'u, one dhamma. Ma'un, two dhamma. So on and so forth. It should not be hard, inshallah. Tamreen number 2, Iqra waktub. Again, what is being asked of you is to write all the harakat. Do get into the practice of writing the harakat in the beginning so you get really good at it, inshallah. Remember, if you see al, put only one dhamma. No al, put two dhammas. Al maktabu maksurun. This becomes a nominal sentence. Al maktab is the mubtada, the subject. Maksur is the khabar, the predicate. The desk is broken. And you will go down this list and write down all the correct harakat for the ends. Exercise number 3 is saying Imla al-faragh fima yali bi wadi'il kalima al-munasiba min al-kalimat at-taliya. So you have to fill in the blanks with proper words from the following words. So there is a word bank that has been given. Jamilun, wasiqun, maftuhun, harrun, thaqilun, khafifun. You have to choose which word goes in which blank. 6 blanks, 6 words. And as you note, what you have been given, number 1, al-hajaru. So you have been given what? The subject. What is being expected? The right predicate. So the word bank, jamil, wasiq, maftuh, these are the predicates. There's no al, there's only tanween. So al-hajaru, you will choose. Al-hajaru jamilun, the rock is beautiful. Well, you can, but probably you would like to choose al-hajaru thaqilun, the rock is heavy. And we will go down the list.